Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing? I hope you're feeling good and I hope you're feeling IRIE as we have another Pickacard reading to end the year. We are exploring what is the gossip on you. So get your tea, get your water, get the beverage of your choice or the juicy baby that you want because we are going to get into it with these gossips. Ooh la la for 2025 and beyond. Wagwantarotandtea. T-Sippers, Wagwantarotandtea. T-Sippers, Wagwantarotandtea. Welcome, welcome, welcome T-Sippers. Yeah. So we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. Go to the number that is calling you as we explore these juicy, intuitive gems that want to come through. Okay, so these messages are messages of love, messages of money and career, messages of maybe like intuition, okay, any spiritual, maybe guardian angel messages. So go to the pile that's calling you. Now, if you feel drawn to more than one pile, feel free to go to that pile as well, okay? Just take this time to connect with your intuition or just wherever you want to go. We are very flexible here, okay? We listen, we do not judge, all right? So take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Okay. Now, if you are new here, much love and blessings to you all. Big up, big up, big up, big up every time. And to our intuitive tea sippers, our tea sipper generals. Okay. Tea sipper generals in the building. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up every time. Big up. Much love and blessings from Auntie T. Okay, so we are going to bring in some good gratitude energy to open up this reading. So let's begin. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive in today's reading, the Pickacard reading. What is the gossip on you? May these messages resonate with the collective so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition, use their discernment as we explore what is the gossip on you into the year of 2025 and beyond. So may these messages resonate, take, as well as allow them to trust their intuition and use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So I hope you've got something nice to, keep you nice and hydrated as we gather these juicy, intuitive gems. Okay. So pile 1, pile 2, or pile 3. Go to that number that's calling you and we will see you on the other side. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share and comment down below. Let us know, what you're sipping on and what part of the world you are watching from. So big up yourselves and we'll see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're on pile 1 and we're exploring the juicy, intuitive gems that want to come through for you on what is the gossip on you. So if you are new here, big up yourselves every time. To our intuitive tea sippers, big up, big up, big up every time. Okay, we're exploring these juicy gems, okay, for 2025 and beyond. Okay, so let's see Wagwan. Okay, and if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, okay, share and comment down below. Let us know what you're sipping on and which part of the world you are watching from. Okay, and much love and blessings from your host, Auntie T. So we are on pile 1 and we're exploring what messages there are for the collective. The first message, okay, we're only going to be looking at what has come through. We're going to pull out the Jamaican Proverbs and the Tarot, okay? So we have the gossip is love is coming your way unexpectedly. Now, this could come in many ways. Perhaps it could just be, you just randomly walking, strolling, and someone, maybe takes an interest and seeks the courage to come forward and asks you maybe for your number, okay, or for your Instagram, okay. But it feels like it could just be in a very, it almost is like it startles you, like, wow, like, it's like as if when you are not expecting it, when you're not focused on it at that time, that's when an opportunity may arise. Ooh la la. Now, if you are new here, if you hear, "Oi, oi, oi, oi," it's just a way of how I connect with those intuitive downloads, okay? So, and it's very much like a Jamaican equivalent to OMG, to say "Woi, oi," okay? So the gossip is, it's time to step out of your comfort zone. It's time to step out of your comfort zone. Maybe this is when you step out of your comfort zone, this is when things start to shift, things start to happen. Perhaps it could be starting a new fitness plan. It could be starting a new eating plan, a new routine. Okay, something that's going to shift you from what you was doing before. Okay, it's going to open new doors. Okay, ooh la la. We have the gossip is you will reconnect with someone important in your life. Now, this could be a past love. This could be a friend. Okay, this could be maybe like family or like close friends, okay? Ooh la la. The gossip is your angels are guiding you towards your true path. Now, if here's a spiritual message. So if some of you have been thinking, or asking universe, guardian angels, please help me, guide me to always be on that path, or the path of the path of alignment that will help me to be in a better place, like spiritually, emotionally, physically. Okay, this message is like confirmation that you are moving, and perhaps that could be the energy of like coming out of your comfort zone. Maybe you're seeing a lot of angel numbers at this time, or lots of synchronicities, a lot of signs. Maybe it's coming through others, maybe it's coming through things that you watch, and you feel like, hold up a minute, this feels like a deja vu. Okay, if you're getting these kind of messages or feelings, then you really trust your intuition at this time. Okay, we have the gossip is you are seen as a trendsetter among friends. So there could be things about your persona, your aura, your energy that people find attractive. So how they view you as very much as somebody who, just has this kind of very magnetic energy about them. Okay, ooh la la. Now we're going to use this as an opportunity to just take a nice sip. Okay, I've got some chamomile tea today. So let us know what you are sipping on. Sip, sip, baby. So we're going to do a collective sip because my mouth is feeling a bit dry. And we got to get these messages to come out, baby. Okay? So cheers to the new year, new beginnings. And do put it in the comments down below if you would like a special live where we do like a gratitude thing. Either way, I make, it could be something, now that I've mentioned it, do look out for something like that because it's something that I would like to do. Okay, all right, so let's continue. We are nice and hydrated, and being nice and hydrated, it really helps those messages to flow. We have the gossip is you are surrounded by love and light from the universe, which is really brilliant. And that, even if you're seeing this message, I guess this is also like another sign, a confirmation that you are being surrounded by good sources of love. Okay, and really trusting, the more you trust in yourself, being and developing that sense of self-awareness will really help you to feel more connected. Okay, We have here, the gossip is it's time to release negativity and embrace positivity. So a lot of positive messages. This card seems to keep wanting to, move around. We have, perhaps it could be the energy of the universe here. The gossip is they are worried about losing you. So someone is worried about losing you. Okay, this could be someone maybe from a recent separation. Perhaps there may have been maybe like a friend breakup as well. Okay, but there is someone who has some regrets around maybe how they dealt with you in the past. So do have a look at our Blunt AF Pickacard readings and our latest so Blunt AF, who's thinking about you and who has a crush on you. Okay, but we are also going to do another updated who's thinking about you and why. Okay, so we have the gossip is you are inspiring others without even realizing it. So you're again, your aura, there's something about you, the way you're carrying yourself, it's drawing a lot of people's attention. Perhaps you could even be having a lot of secret or hidden admirers at this time. Okay, we also have the gossip is others wish they had your confidence. So again, this energy about your aura, the way you carry yourself, it's definitely giving trendsetter vibes. We have the gossip is you should trust your instincts more. So again, trusting your instincts, trusting it. Your intuition may come in different forms. Whether you may hear a message, you may feel something, you may feel like a cold shiver, you may feel or even sense like you've come across this before, like a deja vu. It could be maybe hearing it through a song, hearing a message being spoken by somebody else. Maybe it could be something you see on the TV and you're thinking, wow, like I feel like the universe is really talking to me. Okay, it can come in different ways, maybe angel numbers. Okay, we have here the gossip is a new friendship will blossom in the near future. Now, perhaps this friendship could blossom into something romantic, or it could be maybe coming out of that comfort zone allows new friendships to blossom and bloom. Okay. We also have the gossip is an exciting travel opportunity may present itself unexpectedly. So perhaps this could be something that you can look into this year coming up and beyond. Okay. We have the gossip is you will find clarity regarding a decision you've been struggling with. So if there's been a decision that you've been like pondering on, it's kind of giving like a judgment tarot energy. Okay. The message here is that clarity will come. Okay. The gossip is your soul purpose is unfolding beautifully. Ooh la la. The gossip is a family member is proud of you. Now this feels like it could also be someone who is no longer no longer living. It could also be proud of you as well. Okay. The gossip is an admirer, so there's definitely someone who has been admiring you. Maybe they could be just passing you, or it could even be someone in your neighborhood. It could be someone that has come across you and maybe it's like seeking the courage to finally come and say something to you. Okay. The gossip is you are craving deeper connections. Now, perhaps this could be something that you may have been feeling as well, wanting to maybe meet someone who is more aligned with where you are now. And the message here is that there is love here for you. Okay, but it can come in an unexpected way. Okay, so it feels like as it's fallen on number one, and one represents the energy of new beginnings, new opportunities. But it feels very much like the more you take the time to focus on yourself, the more it will then come in ways that it will startle you when it comes. Okay. The gossip is someone sees you as a partner in crime. So there is definitely an energy of a soulmate energy that wants to come towards you. Again, everyone has free will, so trust your intuition, use your discernment. But it does, I just saw 11:11 on the clock, but it feels very much like there's an energy here that wants to come towards you, but it feels very much like also you need to allow, okay, allow yourself to be open to new opportunities, okay? And we have here, the gossip is a colleague appreciates your hard work. So there could be someone currently in your workplace, or if you work in a project team, or if you're at university, college, there's an energy that someone really appreciates what you do. Perhaps this could also be an admirer. Ooh la la. Okay. And we have the gossip is money will flow easily if you remain open. So again, this energy of remaining open, training your muscle, your brain. Your brain is a muscle. Train your brain so that it works for you. Okay. Regardless if there's a trial, tribulation, that it's always working to be your biggest supporter, not your biggest downer. Okay. I hope that's making sense. Ooh la la. So a lot of exciting new energy coming through for pile one. So let's pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what Jamaican proverb wants to come through. And then we're going to look at the tarot. And we'll end with a angel number. So what is the gossip on you for pile one? For pile one, ooh la la. One of my favorite Jamaican proverbs of all time. The bucket is welling with water. One day, that bottom of the bucket will drop out so that all of the water will flow at the bottom of the bucket. Now, this is representing this energy of overwhelm. Something is overwhelming, okay? And in the Jamaican style, the bucket are well with water. One day, the bottom of the bucket must drop out. Now, this goes back to energy of feeling overwhelmed. Look after yourself, self-love, okay, stress. But also what we're seeing here in regards to the context of what's coming to you, what is the gossip on you, that there's very much this energy that there's going to be an overwhelming energy of new opportunities, new beginnings, okay, coming in the new year and beyond. Now, but however, what is also coming through is the energy that you have to be open to it. You have to be open to new beginnings. You have to be open to changing up things. Okay, so allowing new energy to flow. Okay, there could also be this energy of new love that comes to you, but again, you have to want it. I've just heard the phones popping off, and that's my way of connecting with those signs and synchronicities that, you know, gives us that little added connection that universe, okay, is you know, working with us, okay. So lots of new opportunities coming your way, okay, if you want it, okay, if you want it. So now let's have a look and see what the tarot wants to tell you. We're using our Christmas themed tarot today. So what is the gossip on you? What is the gossip on you? What is the gossip on you? Yes, look at this, collective. We have the moon. So the moon being here is saying that there is a lot of opportunities coming your way, but you've got to be open to it. The moon is representing this energy of a lot of hidden thoughts, okay? A lot of hidden feelings, okay? Feeling very gassy all of a sudden. Like the need to burp. Maybe someone needs to burp right now. But it feels like perhaps you've been wishing, wondering, like, am I doing like I'm doing, but I'm not maybe seeing the results yet. And it feels like the message is saying, don't have no fear. Just keep on striving. Keep on doing you. People are noticing the changes, and you are inspiring. You are helping others, even when it doesn't look like you are doing something. You are doing great things, but also you're also drawing people that are attracted to you and the qualities that you possess. Okay. So bear that in mind. Now also I'm paying attention to the 1 and the 8. If we add them together, that's 9. 9 represents that energy of independence, really coming into your own. Okay, so the message is saying, look at that star, pay attention to all those stars in the sky. Okay, you are one of those stars. You just have to believe. You just have to believe. Okay, the song that's coming through is the song by Mariah, sung by Mariah and Whitney Houston, and I think it was like the main theme tune in The Prince of Egypt. There can be miracles when you believe. Although hope is frail, it is hard to kill. I really want to sing today, but it's like the throat is saying, take it easy, baby, take it easy on me, because we gotta get these messages before the year comes through. Well, before the year comes through, rewind, before the year ends. Yeah, we're gonna take a little break with the singing today. But look what we have here, the King of Cups, that energy of love. Capitalizing on what you love, your passions, let it flow. It will open doors, but also it can open doors to love if you want it. Okay, but it feels like the message is saying, really, with the Page of Swords, don't be looking and thinking, comparing yourself to others. No, because there's others that are doing that and looking at you and what you have. Even when you feel like you don't have much, it looks like that to somebody else. Okay. And the 8 of Wands is saying that things are moving, even though it looks kind of like it's, it just might be moving in a more steadier pace. But it feels like definitely that things will move, okay? But again, you've got, look what's coming up here. The 2 of Swords, you've got to make a decision. Again, we had that energy about making a decision. Perhaps it could be in regards to a job, your career, a love decision, okay? But it feels like it's saying don't be afraid to, because with the 3 of Pentacles, perhaps there could be something on the horizon, okay, a project or a business opportunity. Maybe some of you might be thinking about wanting to work from home. Perhaps if anybody of you's into intuitive reading, maybe if you've been thinking about it, this is your confirmation that, to start something new and let it, put that time and come out of your comfort zone. It will open many doors. Okay. Ooh la la. Now I feel just drawn again to have a look. It's gone back to that King of Cups. Beautiful King of Cups. So, last but not least, we are going to leave you with an angel number on what is the gossip on you. Okay. Ooh, we have several trying to come out. Okay, we'll quickly go through them. We're just going to cover and let you read. Okay, we'll let you read just so you can hold it and let you read. But we have 1551. Hold your vision. Manifestation. Abundance, money, dreams, vision and prosperity. So this is a clear message about really honing in on what you want. Okay, things can happen. Believe in yourself. Okay, it's time to put your faith. It's time to put your faith and time into your ideas and pursue your goals with all your might. We have lots of energies of 5s, okay? So 5s, again, is that shifting energy, coming out of your comfort zone energy. The eye candy, so 0550. Intuition, inspired action, beauty, art, socializing, flow, potential, romance, okay? So all of this is really like telling us that there is a confirmation that, apply yourself, trust yourself, and you will be opening more doors. People that are drawn to your energy. Okay, and this could lead to opening more opportunities for you. Ooh la la. Okay, we have 555, so the energy of change. Okay, encouragement, trust. Sorry, encouragement, support. Although I said trust, but you know, trust, encouragement, support, obstacle, battle, calling, restructuring, creative work. Okay, here it's like saying you are going to level up. So keep doing you, keep focusing on you, keep building on you, okay? And it's saying push through it. There's a reward waiting at the finish line, okay? We have 0606, okay? Commitment, ooh la la. So loyalty, responsibility, truth, love, light, spiritual realms, growth and solutions. So there is a strong message here about, you know, the more you apply yourself, the more doors can open for you. You've got to believe in yourself. You've got to come out of your comfort zone, come out of your way. You know, it's the message of like, let go, let God, let go and let the universe do its work for you. Okay? So really allow that to happen. And we have, again, 555 again. Okay? So clarity. Okay? Great transformation, major changes, opportunity, fast pace, forward, process. Okay? We did see the whole thing about things coming unexpectedly. Unexpectedly. And there's a strong message here about like don't see yourself as a victim of circumstance, okay? And that could be again with that moon energy that we saw earlier, like really training your brain. Your brain is your muscle that will help to carry you further in life, okay? But it's definitely something that you've got to train. And what's coming through is rich dad, poor dad, rich dad, and it's the whole premise of, I think it's by Robert Kiowas, Robert. I can't remember the last name, but the whole idea of the book is it's the idea about like your mindset. You know, can do so much. It can serve us and it can work against us. We ultimately have free will, so we have to choose it. And that's by choosing it is by like taking that time, again working on your routine little by little, training yourself, speaking those words to yourself, okay? Be it positive, recognizing you know, through self-awareness if we are talking against ourselves negatively, retraining, okay, pulling ourselves, you know, if we say something negative to ourselves, or you know, for instance, it's like even comments, or you know, don't entertain it. Okay, you know, say I've got a zero policy, you know, into entertaining foolishness that's not aligned with me. We're about manners and respect, okay? All right, so we're gonna leave it here. This, you know, a little snapshot into what is the gossip on you, you know, in the new year and beyond. The messages are timeless. Just take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. But be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping. Okay, I saw it go. We're just taking what resonates. I saw it go is Jamaican Part 1. It simply means this is how it goes, and this is how it goes around here. So if you feel drawn to have a look at Pile 2 or Pile 3, feel free to do so. And we will see you on the other side. But in the meantime, Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we're on Pile 2 and we're exploring what is the gossip on you. Okay, as we are going through, okay, Pickacard readings to end the year, and we're exploring what is the gossip on you. So if you are new here, big up yourselves. To our intuitive tea sippers, our generals, big up every time. Much love and blessings from Auntie T. Now I hope you've got a beverage of your choice. Okay, get nice and comfy. as we explore these intuitive messages together, these intuitive messages are messages of spiritual messages, healing messages, love messages, money and career messages. So we're exploring and seeing what wants to come through, okay, as we explore these messages for the new year and beyond. Now, the messages are timeless, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Leave the rest, okay? So if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share and comment down below. Let us know where you are watching from around the world, okay? Now I feel very singy now, okay? In Power One I was like, say we're going to rest, but now it's like the singing wants to come through, baby. I don't know what it is. let's get off, shall we? Let's move on. We're on Power Two now, okay? Now, okay, if you hear it's just a way of how I connect with those juicy intuitive downloads. Okay, Auntie T is Jamaican, okay, come from a Jamaican background, so from time to time, you know, this is how I include the little, you know, Jamaican ways, okay, you know, keeping authentic. And the more authentic I, you know, connect with that authenticity, the more authentic the messages become, okay? So, you know, rock with me, rock with me, baby. Okay, and it, woyoy, okay, although I like to do it in a singy way, is basically like the equivalent to OMG. So just if you're wondering, OMG, and how OMG can be used in different contexts, I just like to use it in an intuitive context. So we have the gossip is they feel a strong connection with you. So there is someone, okay, now this could be someone who's new, there could be someone from the past or recent past, still has feelings, they have strong feelings, and it could be that they're feeling very like, again, trust your intuition, use your discernment, let that guide you. But it feels like this person wants to explore this connection with you in further. So always trust your intuition on it, okay? We also have the message here that there is someone who sees you as a partner in crime. Now, this also came through in, I believe, in pile one. So this energy coming through again is it's like a, there's definitely a strong energy here that someone sees you as like a soulmate energy, okay? Ooh la la. We have the gossip is the gossip is letting go of toxic relationships will free your spirit. So if there's any kind of like toxic kind of like maybe back and forth, karmic kind of on and off, the message here is to like to seek closure and make peace, to put it to rest, okay? So it's not affecting your energy to attract, okay? Because if we are holding on to things, okay, that's not serving us, it's not going to help us to attract a new and vibrant, as I like to call it, new and better, darling. You want new and better energy, okay, not stagnant energy. Stagnant energy doesn't do anything but self-explanatory. It just keeps you stagnant, okay? I don't know why I'm getting the imagery of the Little Mermaid as in the original Little Mermaid, the animated version, where Ariel is going through to meet Ursula, and the fish, well, no, the mermaids that have then turned into these kind of like creatures are trying to hold on to her feet, and they were basically trying to hold on to her feet to try and warn her off, to say don't go any further. And it feels very much like that's what's coming through in regards to the toxic energy. Ursula is the toxic energy. Don't get drawn or attracted to that energy, okay? Recognize what it is, trust your intuition, okay? Seek guidance, maybe, you know, ask for guidance from your guardian angels, your ancestors, or your the universe, God, seek that guidance, or speak to somebody else, trust your intuition, use your discernment. That's what's really coming through. Like, you know, if you've gone there before, it's like, what will change differently now? What will change this time? Okay? Really trust yourself. The gossip is you're on the verge of a breakthrough. So there could be something here. Maybe again, this could be like coming out of toxic relationships. And toxic relationships could also be like friendships as well, you know. Like I've been like also myself contemplating about things and thinking, you know what, you want to be in connections, friendships that are in line with you, you even just when I think about for the collective, you want connections that are in line with you, where you want to be, people that support you, okay, not just support you when you're up, but support you, in maybe your trials, your challenges, and all of these things are important, okay? The gossip is don't underestimate your worth. Recognize your worth, darling. You're the don, or darling. You're the don da da. You're the don da da. You are the don gargon. You're the don gargon, meaning you are the top of the top. You are the de la creme. Okay, you are the cherry on top, baby. You better pop your collar. You better walk with style. Okay, you better walk with style. Nobody can style you. Meaning nobody can come and try to, dent your crown, lean your crown. You know what time it is, and you know who you are, and trust yourself. Use this message as a reminder that you've got this. Okay, okay. Sometimes you need to, boost yourself, boost your self-esteem, your confidence, okay? Yes. The gossip is people are curious about your personal life. Oh la la. So there might be people here who are interested, maybe there could be some gossiping about what's going on, what you're doing. Maybe it could be with colleagues. It could also be maybe with family and friends who are wondering what you're doing, or, they could be just like wondering. Maybe you can come across mysterious, okay, and and it feels like they could just be quite nosy as well, okay. All right, we have the gossip is you are deserving of all the good things. Yes, baby. We're gonna sip to that. That's a message we need to hear. Collective, I'm sipping on some chamomile tea. Let us know what you are sipping on. Yes, you are deserving. You are deserving of all of these good things. Remind yourself that. Remind yourself that you are deserving of good things in your life. Yes, check that. The gossip is embracing vulnerability will lead to deeper connections. Now, this is a message that we all need to hear. Okay, sometimes we can be very protective with our heart, and that doesn't allow us to show that vulnerability. And again, sometimes it can be due to past experiences, where we have been open and, like, and our past experiences may have then made us feel like, oh, maybe it's not safe to do that. Maybe, it results to me being hurt, and I don't want to go through that. So then it's like closing ourselves to anything. But then it's not, if anything, that can make us more prone to being hurt again, because unfortunately you can have people who may prey, or energy, okay, that prey on fear, prey on the resistance to being open, that they will try to then find other ways to navigate to try and gain your trust, okay? So especially as this message is really coming up like this, really connecting with yourself and loving on yourself, working on yourself, and making it a routine to talk to yourself with love, treat yourself with love, buy yourself flowers, okay? Go and do your hair, get your hair done, go out, meet your friends, like by doing all of those things will really help boost your self-esteem, your confidence, your attitude, boost your own morale, okay? The gossip is the universe supports your journey of self-discovery. So perhaps the self-discovery could involve traveling, exploring, trying new things. Maybe it could be a change of career. Okay. It feels like there could be something to do with change. Maybe it could be even approaching a certain milestone, maybe moving into your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s and beyond. Okay. Because one thing I do like about our community and collective at Wagwantarotandtea, we have a quite a wide range, and I'm very thankful and very honoured as an intuitive reader that the messages are resonating with different age groups. So thank you in abundance. Thank you in abundance. We have the gossip is an old friend misses your companionship. Now this feels like this could also be due to maybe a lover as well as a friend, just a purely platonic friend who regrets their actions. And it feels like it could also be someone who regrets not listening to the advice that you were giving them, but in turn almost treated you with disregard. Perhaps they were listening to people that didn't have their best interests, and now they see, okay, but the ties have so severed that it's kind of like, now that you're out of my personal space, my access, you're no longer entitled to that access. And really trust your intuition, use your discernment again. The whole thing about vulnerability is also recognizing, when closure is really needed. Okay. So if it's again, we have free will. If you don't want to connect, you don't want to connect. Okay, simple as. The gossip is you attract positive energy into your life. So the more you focus on you, the more again, tapping into that Don Dada, you're the Don Gargon in your life. You attract positive energy. Okay, we have. The gossip is believe in yourself and your dreams. So if you have any ambitions, any goals, okay, even if maybe you need that sense of like motivation and booster, come and listen to this message, okay. Stick a pin in this read and come back to this read whenever you need, okay, to really like get that boost that you need, okay, because we're going to give you this boost around here. The gossip is you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Again, your brain is a powerful muscle. The more you train yourself to believe, the book that's coming through is As a Man Thinketh, okay? So the more you talk to yourself, the more you feed yourself with love, unconditional love. You treat yourself with care, okay? Like you would do anybody else, but prioritize you. The more you allow yourself and your to be more aligned with the law of attraction and attracting good things into your life, okay. Ooh la la. The gossip is your journey is unique, to trust it. Everybody is on their own life journey, their own path, okay. So don't watch what somebody else have. Don't watch, because sometimes what was always said to me, you don't know what them did. You don't know what them do to get it. You don't know what them do to get it. So don't even watch them. You hear? Meaning you don't know what they did. It may have been through ill means. It may have been through bad intentions. What we have in Jamaican culture, we call it, just like you have something like good-minded, positive-minded, we have also what you say bad mind. Bad mind, meaning bad-minded, bad intentions, okay. So don't watch what somebody have. Don't get into that Page of Swords energy, watching and thinking, why I wish I could have that. Don't get caught up in that, because you don't know what them do to get it. You hear that? Focus on you, focus on your alignment, and maybe sage your area, Palo Santo, your area, your space. Bring in a good vibration. Play good music that is on an energy of uplifting, you know, sound frequency music, all them kind of things that's going to speak good existence, even if it means not even inviting certain people of energies that are not in line with yours. Okay, protect your sacred space. Asoiga is, which is simply means in Jamaican patois, this is how it goes. All right. The gossip is your spiritual growth is recognized by higher powers. Look at that. So this could be messages from your ancestors, your guardian angels, okay, the universe, okay, as you know. So it feels very much like, you know, the more you work on yourself, the more it's like they're working to help you. I can currently see three on the clock, and this is definitely in the energy of like they're working with you, they're supporting you. They may be trying to guide you through signs, messages, synchronicities, okay. The gossip is signs are all around you, so pay attention to them. Pay attention to all of the signs around you. The gossip is people admire your style and your own uniqueness. Okay, the gossip is you're about to receive good news in love. Okay, and apologies, I don't know if you may hear it, but I heard some police sirens as well. Perhaps that could be signs that, you know, signs, just maybe it could be a sign. The gossip is your voice matters, speak up. The gossip is every challenge is an opportunity for growth. The gossip is communication is key to strengthening your bonds. That is the truth. The gossip is a romantic connection may deepen unexpectedly. So there could be a connection that deepens unexpectedly. Again, everyone has free will. Ooh la la. You have to put the action in, okay? The gossip is you feel empowered and unstoppable. And the gossip is you need to prioritize self-care. So again, that energy of looking after yourself, showing yourself tender loving care, just like you would show anybody else. Sometimes it's harder for us to show that care to ourselves. Okay, we can give it willy-nilly, meaning we can give it freely to somebody else. But when it comes to us now, it's like we will take the last, you know, let's say for instance you decide to do a dinner, prepare a meal, or say you're going to buy everybody dinner, but then when it comes to your plate, it's like you serve everybody and then you're like, well, I didn't really prioritize me. It feels like what's the message is saying for the year coming and beyond is to really, you know, it's not about being like in you're being selfish, but you're being selfishly prioritizing you at this time. Selfless, you're being selfless by prioritizing you. Okay, it's not selfish to prioritize you. Okay, we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what message you need to see right now. So what is the gossip on you? What is the gossip? Can we have one card? Oh, okay, we'll take this one. We have when a man belly full, him brock pot. When a man belly full, him brock pot. So when a man's belly is full, he will break the pot. He no longer needs it. This represents the energy of content, okay? And the message here about what is gossip on you is there's a need and an energy, just like we were saying about the self-care, prioritizing you, is about being content with yourself. And it feels like it's the message is saying to work on being content in all areas of your life. We are always a work in progress. Just like how fitness never stays the same, we have to constantly maintain it. It's just like the same what we have to do with our life. We are working on being content, working on our love life, healing ourselves, okay, maybe from past pain, past hurt, maybe our upbringing, we may have not always saw or been exposed to healthy forms of love and having to work on it, okay, so that we are showing that love to ourselves, but also that we are able to then show that love back, okay, that give and receive elements, okay. There's always that duality there about giving and receiving, okay, love and expressing love. It could also be in regards to how we show love and care for our own well-being, prioritizing our work, our own interests, money, career, etc. Okay, so when we are content, we are satisfied. We no longer need to put our hands back in the pots. Okay, so being satisfied, sometimes we can forget the little things. So be present and thankful for your blessings, and the messages daily gratitude can really help. Okay, this is why we like to always open our reads. Sometimes I can get a bit carried away and sometimes forget, but then I will like maybe do it in my head, or maybe say it afterwards, or I always say, always like take on this effort of like saying thank you, okay, because it's a really great way of bringing good gratitude energy into your life, into your presence, into your aura, okay, and that's what we like to do around here, all right. And we're also about the energy of, respect and manners. Okay, Auntie T, just like anybody else, is human. Okay, talk to me nicely, talk to me with respect, and you'll get what you want. We will show love and respect. Talk to me in some as if I'm like some, like don't deserve respect. Well, then it's got, it's instant block and delete. I saw it go. Okay, and that's how it goes for everybody. Okay, respect is a two-way process. Okay, so what beautiful messages here. So we're gonna just take a quick sip. Okay, quick sip, and look and see what the tarot wants you to know right now. So what does the tarot want you to know right now in regards to what is the gossip on you? We're using a Christmas themed deck. What is the gossip on you? Reveal the messages the collective need to see. Last shuffle. Oh, we have a message here. Just kind of pops through from the middle. The Queen of Swords. So there's definitely like an energy of saying, right, really kind of capitalize again on your own, okay, with the Queen of Swords, and not being afraid to let go of things that are not serving you. This will actually give you and provide more strength into your life, which is a major arcana, okay. We also have, I'm not sure what this one is. Okay. Happy Naha, or if it's like another representation of the world. I'm not too sure what this one is. Okay. But we have also the Lovers in the reverse, okay? So it does feel like there's also maybe if there's something that needs to maybe be mindful of how we, again, are portals to love and to give love and to receive love. We also have the Three of Cups here, so it could be like the energy of like connecting with others. Again, that alignment, releasing yourself from any toxic relationships. We have the Seven of Cups here, saying that there could be lots of opportunities that come your way, but again, seeking that clarity will really help you to trust yourself, and really like when it comes to making decisions, and decisions that are best for you, okay. But look at here, there could be again a lot of energy of like traveling, okay. And we have the Six of Wands. Also had the message that perhaps it could also be maybe something to do with children. When we have Six of Wands, that success is here for you. Again, it's about you choosing you, looking after you, prioritizing you, okay? And it can reveal itself in many ways. Ooh la la. I'm gonna have a quick look at these cards as well. We have the Four of Cups. So the Four of Cups is really saying, don't be this person, don't be this guy that ignores blessings, ignores any signs and synchronicities, or anything. So even it could be even feelings that you've been feeling and just trying to just pass on and just think, no. Because we have the Five of Swords, they say, no, you really got to prioritize you. And perhaps you have felt this energy in the past, okay, There's conflicted energy in the past. Especially with the Ten of Swords being here, and it's saying that like you've got to remove this weight now, this burden, this energy off of you because it hasn't been serving you. And it's saying really take this energy of the Knight of Wands now, okay, move with that fire energy because it's going to help you, and it's going to help you to come out of this energy of stagnancy with the Six of Swords here, feeling stuck, okay. And look, take that leap of faith with the Fool. Okay, take that leap of faith, but still, you know, go with guidance, with trusting your intuition. The dog is representing that energy of trusting your intuition. Okay, just as you know, you can want to take new opportunities, but use your due diligence. Okay, and you see that Page of Swords, but at the same time, don't go and do something because you see somebody else do it, so you have to do it too. Meaning you see somebody else doing it, so it's like, oh, why can't I no, do it with the right intentions. When you do it with the right intentions, it will come back tenfold. It will come back tenfold. But if we do it with a bad mind intention, we're watching others, okay, this when it can result, and it can flop. It can basically Jamaicans have a way of saying it's salt. Okay, their business salt, meaning, like if you think of like in biblical terms, okay, excuse me, I don't know where that cough came from, but it's like this energy of like their things basically resulted to stagnancy, okay. So I'm trying to remember the story. I think it's the story of, is it the story of Job and his wife and how she turned to salt. Okay, by looking back. Don't look back. Focused, realign, and you know, go with steads. Okay, with that where is it now? With the Knight of Wands. Okay. All right. So we definitely, you know, need to get hydrated here before we come to a close. We're going to take another little hydrate. Sean, but we're going to say cheers for the new beginnings, new opportunities, and for the alignment and realignment of prioritizing you, because there's a strong message that the more you prioritize you, the more doors will open. So be open to change, be open to that shift coming forward. Ooh la la. All right. So let's have a look and see what message wants to come through. What angel number wants to come through? What is the gossip on you? What's the... Ooh, thank you. We got 11 and 22. 11, 22. Great shift. So as it's one card, we're going to just read it. Personal growth, spiritual development, and manifesting goals. Oneness, connection. Everything that we've basically spoken about is really encapsulated in these key words here. And completion. First, focus on the positive changes occurring due to your efforts. Then expand your horizons and permit yourself to try something new. So many positive shifts are in store for you. The world around you, intuitive tea sippers, is changing in favor of, look at that word, in favor of your intentions. In your intentions, focus on good intentions, things will start to shift. If we look and watch and oh, you have this one, Jane has more than me, John have more than me, how you get that, I want to go and talk to you and try and figure out how I can get that. Once you start getting into that energy, you're already you're throwing your natural navigator off. You're no longer in alignment. Get back in alignment, cleanse yourself, get back into this energy of grounding, maybe even taking some time to ground yourself, reflect, and find yourself, your own self, your life purpose. That will help to get you back into that shift. Okay? Now, these could, apply to many messages in regards to love, money, career. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. Again, we are kind of exploring the energies for the year coming ahead and beyond. So the messages are timeless, but just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay? But if you feel drawn to have a look at pile 1 or pile 3, feel free to do so. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below as we are going through these reads as we get closer and closer to the new year that's coming ahead. So big up yourselves, look good, feel good, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. I sight go. Which is Jamaican patois for this is how it go. So we'll see you on the next one, and Gwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we're on pile 3 and we're exploring what is the gossip on you, okay? And if you are new here, big up yourselves. To our intuitive tea sippers, our generals, big up every time. We're exploring spiritual messages, love messages, money, career messages, anything that wants to come through, as well as love messages, if we haven't mentioned that, okay? Any messages that want to come through for what's coming up in the new year and beyond. The messages are timeless, so just take what resonate and leave the rest. We're all about good gratitude vibes here, manners and respect. So much love and blessings from your host, okay, or your auntie T. So much love. Mwah, 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 mwah. And I hope you've got a beverage of your choice as we get into pile 3 and see Wagwan. Wagwan is Jamaican patois and it simply means what is going on. That's what we're doing. We're exploring the cards today. All right. So let's see for pile 3. We may have the energy of 3 coming in. So the energy of 3 represents expansion, growth, things fertilizing, okay? So let's see what's going on. And if you hear from time to time, it's just a way of how I connect with those intuitive downloads, okay? Woyoy is basically like an equivalent to OMG in Jamaican culture, and it can be used in different contexts, okay? So that's what I like to just kind of do it in that singy way and connect with the download, like OMG, oh my god, this is really happening. Oh, okay, all right, never mind me. Okay, all right. So I hope you've got a beverage of your choice. I'm sipping on some chamomile tea. So let us know where you are watching from around the world and what you're sipping on. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share and comment down below. All right, so we have the gossip is they think you are incredibly attractive. Someone is drawn to your energy, your aura, your presence, the way you step, the way you walk, okay? Ooh, it just drives them crazy. You're crazy. That's the energy that you're giving them. You're giving them that kind of energies that making them want to, ooh, and it's like they want to bite their finger every time you walk past, okay? It's like, oh my gosh, you are fine, you are fine. Oh my God. It feels like this person gets all sweaty or hot, and it's like this person starts to go, oh my gosh, they're fine, okay? Ooh la la, this person is really into you. Now you may sense who this person could be. Perhaps this could also be a new person coming in your energy, in your vicinity. Ooh la la, soup baby. Ooh la la, there's someone coming. Now again, it's all about if you're open to it. Everyone has free will. If we're closed, how are they gonna be, coming your way? Okay, the song that's coming through, Shorty swing my way. Ooh, Shorty swing my way, baby. Because you sure look good to me. The gossip is you are uncertain but gaining clarity. So perhaps you may be going through a current stage in your life, or maybe there's been some challenges and you're just thinking, right, I'm putting that time and effort, but I ain't seeing anything yet. It's like the message is saying not to worry, because things will start to become clearer and clearer. And the more you work on yourself, the more, you show gratitude, do all those good things, it's going to open more doors for you to see. And it feels like the message is saying really connect with your body as well at this time. Trust yourself, use your intuition, use your discernment. All of those things will help you to gain clarity. Okay, eating well, sleeping well, all of those good things. Okay, exercising, getting those endorphins, serotonins, all those things will help you feel so much better. The gossip is you are about to receive some good news in love. Ooh la la. Now, I don't know why the song The Woman in Red from the film soundtrack by Stevie Wonder is coming through. Perhaps there could be something significant about red, an outfit, okay, or just the color in red, the color red, okay. So the gossip is you're about to receive some good news. Ooh la la. Again, it's about you being open to it. Okay, the gossip is learning from the past. Okay, learning from past experiences will guide your future decisions. Now, this is maybe what maybe you need some like clarity on, but it's saying from learning from the past, it can really help you to move forward. Okay. The gossip is setting boundaries will empower you. Yes, darling, this is so important for us all. The more we, set those boundaries, respect our space and ourselves, this can allow, this energy of like, no, this is me, this is what I'm going to respect. And just like I would have to respect somebody else's, respect mine also. Okay. The gossip is a neighbor has noticed your kindness. So there could have been perhaps you may have given this person a Christmas card recently, or maybe you've helped put their bin, bring their bin in, their trash, their US you call it the trash. Bring their trash, like maybe their trash bin in or something like that, okay? Or just their letters or something like that. But it feels like it could also be that this person, the neighbor, could also be attracted to you. Okay, ooh la la. The gossip is you're feeling overwhelmed but strong. The gossip is financial opportunities, ooh la la, are on the horizon. So again, that energy of free is really coming through. There could be like massive improvements in your money and career. The gossip is you are on the cusp of achieving a long-held dream. So if there is something that you've had passion or you've always wanted to do, it's like saying that there is a strong indication that you are closer and closer to achieving your goals. The gossip is true friends. True friends will support you through thick and thin. This through thick and thin. Yes, this is true. And you will know. You let your intuition guide you. Let your discernment guide you. Okay. The gossip is it's okay to let go of what's holding you back. So if there's things that are not in alignment with you, let go of things that are not serving you, so you can make space, make room for the things that do. Period. Can we get period in the comments down below, or 100%, 100% or period, okay? The gossip is they think you are too good for them. So there could be someone who's attracted to you, or it could be someone who's self-sabotaging, okay, that wants your attention but feel like that you could be too good for them. Okay, take it where it resonates, leave the rest. The gossip is practicing gratitude will shift your perspective. So again, this energy about, law of attraction, the more you input good energy, good vibration, the way you speak to yourself, the more it will open doors to you. Just like if you then start to adopt a more negative approach, the more things will start to, you'll start to wear it like a jacket. Okay. All right. We have the gossip is a significant change is coming in your life soon. Ooh la la. There's a significant change. And you can, stick a pin, come back to this video. Okay. Yes, come back to this reading. Okay. When this significant change happens. Ooh la la. We have the gossip is a social media follower is intrigued by you. Now, maybe some of you are into social media, or there might be something that you do, something that you're maybe there could be, maybe you may have like messaged a influencer or something recently. Maybe someone could be intrigued by the type of work that you do, may want to work or collab with you. Ooh la la. We have the gossip is you are healing from past wounds. Now I just heard like a motorbike as well, so maybe there could be this energy of traveling as well, maybe traveling towards you. So healing from past wounds. Okay, the more we can take that time to heal ourselves, and it's a message for us all, the more that it can open doors. Okay, again, if we have unhealed wounds, those unhealed wounds will need that time. So the more we work and dedicate ourselves to working, healing, letting go, okay, realigning ourselves to things that are serving us, the more we can let go of these wounds. Okay. The gossip is someone from your past wants to reconnect. Now, I feel like there's a strong message here to really trust your intuition and use your discernment here, okay? The gossip is take the risk. Is to take risks. The rewards will follow. So if there's something that you've been wanting to do, maybe it could be a change of career, travel to move to a new area, do your due diligence, okay? But it could open many doors for you as well. The gossip is seek balance in all areas of your life. So perhaps like a chakra meditation could be really useful at this time. Cleansing your space, okay, clearing things that are no longer serving you, okay, can really help you to get that balance. Again, be mindful of what you eat, how much time you dedicate to sleep. This is something that we're always working on, but it is all about, looking after your well-being, okay? The gossip is someone admires your financial savvy. So again, this could be maybe a new love interest. It could be someone, a work colleague, or a family member, or friends. Okay, someone that admires you. But I feel like it's also a strong love interest here. Someone who could be watching how you operate when it comes to money, because they are looking for someone who's also in alignment with the same things. It feels like it could also be like a strong energy of like long-term plans, wanting to invest, wanting to like work together as a team, and maybe what they feel very inspired on how you operate, how you move. Okay, ooh la la, juicy juicy. We have the gossip is a breakthrough in your personal or professional life is imminent. So again, the more you're working on yourself, the more you're loving on yourself, okay, from head to toe, the more you're going to open many doors, okay? That is imminent. We have the gossip is you are worthy of love and abundance. You are worthy. So taking that time to work on your self-esteem, your confidence, again, what we focus on, the more we focus on something that's not in alignment with us, the more we are wearing that cape, wearing that jacket. Let go of that jacket. Put that jacket to the bin, to the trash can, okay? Put it away. We don't need it. It is rubbish. The gossip is you are enough, 100% just as you are. It feels like there's a lot of self-love messages here. So maybe, you know, some that it might be a good time to work on those self-love messages. Self-love, rewind on those, on that self-love frequency. Again, maybe listening to some self-love frequency, doing some tapping, ETF, freedom technique tapping, and saying positive affirmations, okay, that will really help to retune. Maybe do it for 30 days, 30 to 90 days to really help create that new habit, that new behavior, that new attitude, that new outlook in life. The gossip is you have the power to create your own reality. You are your own magician, your own manifester. You just have to believe in yourself. And perhaps this is why we're seeing a lot of self-love messages here to balance, that need to balance and check in with yourself, stay grounded with yourself. The gossip is you are being recognized for your talents at work. Perhaps it could be, even if it's self-employment or employment, that, you know, the more you are, or everything that you're doing, even when you might be feeling like, you know, when is it that I'm going to get a promotion or things like that? People are recognizing your skill set, your talents, okay? It feels very much like there also might be some of you who might be getting approached, okay, for maybe a promotion, okay? The gossip is your past does not define your future. So there's definitely these messages that someone needed to hear today. The gossip is it's time to embrace change. This is very much the energy of free coming through, this energy of expansion, this energy of growth really coming through. To embrace change. Don't be afraid. Don't run from change. Change will help bring and open doors, and change is also part of the structure of life, okay? We don't stay as babies. It's part of the journey of change, okay? Yes, sometimes some change can be good and sometimes some change can be bad, but it's how we learn, it's how we, you know, how we mold ourselves, it's how we heal, it's how we grow, okay? So we're going to pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what needs to come through for pile 3. What is the gossip on you? Can we have one message? All right, we'll take this one, but we'll see what this one is. This one is if you get your hands in a devil's mouth, take it out. So if you get your hand stuck in the devil's mouth, take it out. Okay. This is the energy about being careful, be cautious in getting in difficult situations. Seek help where you can. Again, this could maybe result into past wounds, past behaviors that may not be serving us, and that can result us to then repeating cycles again that are not serving us. So just be mindful of that, trusting your intuition. If something don't feel right, trust it, okay? We have here the finger say to look here. The finger said to look here. The finger never said to look here. The finger says to look beyond. Look further. Look further. This, every time when I think of this one, it always reminds me of like the Two of Wands, where you have the figure holding one, like holding the world in their hands, but yet they are surrounded by the bigger world around them. This is kind of the idea of saying, like, to look deeper within ourselves. It's like this energy of soul searching, this energy of reflection, this energy of like recognizing the things, no matter how small and no matter how big around us, recognizing things for what it is. It's like this energy of waking ourselves up from any energy of denial, energy of not wanting to take accountability, because all of those things will keep us closed, will keep us with a narrow way of thinking, will keep us in this kind of bubble of thinking, yeah, I've got things good, and it's like, no, it's, and what's coming through is like the Truman Show, the Truman Show, where in the Truman Show, the world was a very narrow, very constructed, very yes, very constructed. Not there was no authenticity to it at all until it was right. Like scratching the surface, he started to awaken out of it, realizing, wow, no, there's something. There's the world is bigger, greater, and I'm gonna take and capitalize on this opportunity. This is like the message here to say, what is the gossip on you? There's lots of things going to be coming your way, but there's a message here of really being open to change, being open to new beginnings, being open to the opportunities that are around you. Embrace them all. Okay? So, this energy of looking at our faults, but reflect on yourself. Okay? This reflecting on ourselves. Okay, especially as well when it comes to criticizing others or blaming others. Let's take that deeper look in ourselves, but also remembering that the past does not define our future. It can maybe help us to then, look back, learn, okay, but not necessarily become our future. It will become our future if we refuse to not do anything. Okay, anything different, no change of routine, no change of habit. Okay, just same old, same old. Okay, so we are going to, last but not least, look at the tarot, and then followed by an angel number to close the read. So let's see what wants to come through. What is the gossip on you? What is the gossip on you? What do the collective need to know right now? Something is trying to come through. Look at that. I'm going to take a sip to that. We're going to take a sip to that. I'm sipping on chamomile tea. Let's know what you are sipping on. We just mentioned that. And look what came out. The Two of Wands. The Two of Wands. The little globe, but surrounded by a bigger globe. Okay, a bigger globe. With the binoculars is that reminder to say, wow, look at how small my world was to the world that is around me. What? You can't make this up. The cards do not lie. The way it just wants to come out like this. But it's here to say, you know what, there's bigger and better things that, that awaits you. You just got to welcome it. You just got to embrace it. Don't get caught up in, oh, it's because of you why I don't have, it's because, in my past, no. Reel it back. Reel it. Just reel that back. Reel that back, because that gets us caught up in cycles that we don't want to bring into the new year. No. We don't want to be bringing those. We leave it right there, so. Right there, so we are leave it. Meaning, right there. We're leaving it right here. We're going to leave it right here. Just park it right there. We are not bringing it any forward. Okay, we're leaving it behind. Okay, with that Two of Wands energy. Let's see what's significant at the front, the middle, and the back, child. Look at that. We have the Tower. So the Tower saying yes. Though, it's going to help to break up things that's not serving us. Allow us to see what needs to be seen, that it can't be unseen no more. We have the Sun reconnecting with self, reconnecting with our inner child, reconnecting with our passions, our desires, our dreams, loving on ourselves, letting that glow. Okay, that's the song that's coming through is Jill Scott. I'm living my life like it's golden. This is what we need to be capitalizing on. Living my life like it's golden. Ooh la la. Because look, if we're not too careful, we can get trapped, caught up in that. And if you see it, it's like Like the one has been trapped because it's not wanting to accept, stuck in those past wounds, stuck in maybe not wanting to see things for what it really is. And it's saying like, no, 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 let go. You know, you've got to let go, really let go. If you see here, this figure's running and saying, no, it's not me, not today, not today, not today. You know, that's saying, not today, Satan. No, no, no. Okay. So, really, you know, look at that. Choosing wisely, not being afraid to make a decision that, you know, that's right for you. Allowing yourself, trusting that you are your greatest manifester. You know what's best for you. Make things happen for you. Okay? Look at that infinity sign there as well. Okay? Take action. The Knight of Swords. Okay? You know, get that clarity and attract what you want and what you rightfully deserve. You got the King of Pentacles here in the reverse. It's kind of like saying that the more you get confident in your decision making, the more you would allow yourself to sit comfortable in your throne. We got the Four of Wands there, which is saying that, you know, abundance is here for you, but take it with full hands. Full hands? Full hands? Take it with... Oh, rewind. We're gonna reel it back. Take it back. Take it with open arms. That's what I was meant to say, not open hands. So we're gonna leave it there. But I hope it's making sense. So let's close this read with an angel number. Okay, regarding what is the gossip on you. We've tried with this read, it was kind of like encapsulating all the different types of things, okay, in terms of our overall well-being, our spiritual, our emotional, our physical, our intellectual, money, career, financial. Okay, so for the new year and beyond, again, the messages are timeless, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see, message for what is the gossip on you. Can we have a message, please? Look at this, collective. We have the energy of free coming in your read. Free. Triple times, baby. We have the energy, support, growth, creativity, joy, community, vision. With that vision of like the vision of, we saw the magician. You've got to tap into that energy. Okay. Ooh la la. Especially how we saw this tower, we saw the sun, the devil, the magician. There's a lot of major arcanas, which is telling us that there is a lot of energy. I can also see judgment popping out, okay, in the reverse, which is kind of saying that, you know, letting go of things that, you know, not serving you, recognizing you know, what is serving you, trusting yourself more, using your discernment. All of those things will really help you. So seeing the angel number 333 is a sign that it's time to focus inward. Again, you see this deep self-reflection, to not look just here, but look beyond, look deeper in oneself. Again, look, going back to that reference of the Truman Show, it was looking deeper into oneself. Okay, work on your skills, discover your talents, and use your imagination. Unleash your inner artist. Doing so will boost your self-esteem and sense of competence. It does wonders for your sense of purpose and contributes to your community. What a beautiful way to end a read. What a beautiful way. Stick a pin in this read and please come back to it whenever you need to get that boost, that energy. Okay, it's beautiful messages, and the universe, you know, is working with us right now. So thank you to the universe, thank you to our guardian angels, ancestors, spirit guides, for all of these nourishing messages you are giving and providing us at this time. Thank you in abundance. So we will leave it here, but take the messages that resonate and leave the rest. Asaika. Asaika is Jamaican patois. It simply means this is how it goes. And this is how it goes around here. We take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay? Okay. But if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Okay? And, you know, just take what resonates. All right, and just leave the rest, but trust yourself, trust your intuition, use your discernment, and be sure to look good, feel good, keep sipping, stay blessed, and we'll see you on the next reading. Much love and blessings, mwah, 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 from Auntie T and Gwan. Rewind. If you feel drawn to have a look at Power 1 or Power 2, feel free to do so, and we'll see you on the other side. All right. Wagwan.